Ava and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be putting on all of my makeup products. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with foundation, and I have these two and they're like two different colors, but when I mix them together, it makes my shade. So I'm going to do that. So I just finished the foundation and it was like a tiny bit light for me. I could have added more dark, but whatever. I'll add some more like darkness. I will bring back the color in my face as I do it. But that's the only foundation I have. And next we have the Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer. And I like this concealer quite a bit. And I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. We should put it here, and then forehead. Okay, so my camera stopped in the middle of that, but I'm just gonna blend this out now. I just found that I have this cream foundation, so I'm just gonna put that on any like darker spots. I'm gonna move on to, I guess it's eyeshadow. So I have 4 eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, I have the Morphe Fall Into Frost 35F. I'm not sure if they carry this one anymore. It's really pretty. Then I have the natural, this is a NYX natural palette. And I got this from my friend's birthday once. It's a Revlon Eyes, Cheeks, and Lips. So we have a couple different things in here. And then I also have the NYX Smoky Look Collection. But I made an art thing with this, so it's like kind of destroyed. But it also has blush and like contour, but the contour is like not nice. Okay, so for all of this, well, I have like my brushes in here, but I mostly am using my Morphe brushes. So I'm going to start with the light pink on the inside corner of my eye. It's not very pigmented, but we're going to go for it. I also had to have this here because I had nowhere else to put it, so that's why it's in the frame a tiny bit. So I'm just going to show you guys this eye on camera. I'll do it. So I'm going in with this color in the Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna go right in with it in kind of the center area, and then blend it into like the start kind of. I'm gonna build it out to that color. So I was using that one, now I'm gonna go do that one. Now I'm just going to go back in with the color I had before. So I'm just going to add in the crease color. Again, I'm using that for my crease color. Oh, I got some darkness there. What I did was I did that one and that one mixed together, kind of. Okay, I like that. Now I'm just going to add a bit more of the like pinky colors. This stuff has such bad fallout. Oh. It's like making me pink. I do want to add more intensity on the outer side, and I'll come back to you guys in a minute. Okay, so I think I'm kind of done that eye. And what I did is I went in with a bit of that color on the inside crease part of my eye, and now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. So this is how it looks right now. Now I'm just gonna do like the finishing stuff, except you know I have to use like everything I have. So we have left mascara, and I don't know how I'm gonna put all of those on, and then the lip stuff. That's a lot of stuff. So yeah. So I also have this like crayon, but like I don't want to put on my waterline, but I kind of have to. So I'm gonna do that, I guess. I'm gonna just put like a tiny bit. So I guess that is what we're doing there. So yeah, that was just the Mary Kay. It's actually for eyebrows, but I always put it on my one line because it's not the right color for my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna put this Benefit brow pencil. I'm just gonna like not really do much, like just a tiny bit, and it's like empty, so yeah. I'm gonna use the blush from like this palette and the other palette, and I'm just gonna do it really lightly. Okay, and now highlight. I have two highlighters. The highlighters is my Becca one. I got this. It's just like a mini one. It's beautiful. I love it. And then I have an Essence Pure Nude one. I also like this one, and it's really good. So I'm going to apply these. You don't need very much at all. I'm gonna like, I'll use my nude one like probably here, and then the Becca one everywhere else. I'm done the highlighter. Well, no, I'm not done. But I'm gonna put, I'll just put this on like my nose. I don't really want to put it in the crease in my, I'll put a tiny bit. Okay, so we're done with the highlighter. And now we just have lips and lashes left. So, I guess I'm gonna go in and curl my eyelashes first. I got this eyelash curler, I think. Actually, I got it for my birthday, but it was probably from like Winners or somewhere. They have like affordable eyelash curlers. So I've curled my eyelashes, and now I'm just gonna apply like one streak of each one, because I have 1, 2, 3. These are the same too, but 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and like some of these are from my sister. So yeah, let's just go for this. First one I'm applying is Mary Kay Lash Love Lengthening Mascara. Number 1. All good there. I actually want to add some highlight under my eyebrows. I'll use this brush. I'm going to put a bit under. Okay, last we have my lip stuff. And I have like EOS moisturizer, but I'm just going to put on like my actual like lip gloss and lipstick stuff. So I'm going to pull all of that stuff out. And I guess there's not that much. It's still quite a bit. That's more than anything else I had in here. So I'm gonna start with the actual lipstick more.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night.
There we go. And we're done. That's a lot of lip stuff on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked, please give it a big thumbs up, comment what I should do for my next videos, and subscribe so you never miss another video of mine. Bye guys!